What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you probably saw in the title, we are heading down to OSW for their mystery meet. It's like a big event. It's going to have up to 100,000 people, bunch of vendors, dozens of food trucks, 50 drivers. They got free ride-alongs and free drag racing, so it's going to be kind of crazy. I'm sure it'll be pretty hectic, but it's Saturday today, and they're doing camping today. There's like over 200 people camping, so we're going to head down there. We got the E30 loaded up. I'm not sure if I've really showed you guys my new Duramax. I picked this up a few months ago, mainly for work, but it's just such a good truck. I've been using it every day. It's phenomenal. It's so nice to finally have a good, strong diesel to pull with. I've been towing with a Yukon for the last like 5 years, going like 60 miles an hour everywhere. It's just been such a pain in the butt. Already burnt through a transmission on it, so this was very much needed. So we're able to do some damage now with this thing, but we're gonna hit the road here in just a minute and get to OSW. All right, well, we're out here at OSW. We've been out here. There ain't nothing going on. We set up our tent, air mattress and whatnot. We're just kind of hanging, about to grill some food. But there's some drag race events, so we're walking over here to check it out and see what's going on. Here this morning, sleeping in the tent wasn't too shabby, and it worked. It's whatever. But we're out here. We just did a driver's meeting. We are about to go on track here shortly. This place is already pretty packed. There's supposed to be 100,000 people coming. Don't know if that's the case, but it's all free ride-alongs, so it's gonna be madness just throwing people in and out of the cars all day, but it'll be cool.
I've seen this fucking car somewhere, I just don't know where. Okay.
The car's doing really good. It makes zero grip. I'm still having a little bit of a camber issue, but it's not too bad. I'm having some NTO1s put on so we can try and not ice skate out here. It's just not gonna happen here. No. You ever been drifting before?
Nah, I mean, this is like my first event.
Hell yeah.
This is like my second time.
Nice, dude.
There's too much going on, I'm not gonna lie.
Not gonna be able to keep up with him at all.
No.
Hey, my tires are done. My tires. Alright guys, we're back home. I did not shoot an outro for this video, but the event was a lot of fun. Did a lot of ride-alongs, got to drive with some friends. Like normal OSW, we had no grip. Those NT01s that I was on were some 255s and I was at 10 PSI. We were still ice skating, so just the name of the game sometimes. You may have noticed in the beginning of the video that this garage was an absolute disaster. The past year and a half, my brother's been here living with me and we've been sharing the garage space with not only our cars, but our tools as well. And that's one of the big reasons I really haven't been filming many videos. And the videos that I have made have been us traveling somewhere, going to an event, or doing things that aren't here at home, just because it looks like absolute trash when I try and record anything. But we have the space again. We're gonna start making some cool videos. I have a lot of things I wanna do to the E30, some upgrades, some repairs. And so stay tuned for that. And like always, I appreciate you watching this one and I'll see you later.